Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by enabling the hidden toggle. This unlocks advanced settings you can control. First, make sure your battery is above 20% and you know your lock PIN or pattern. Then open Settings, go to About Phone or Software Info, find Build Number and tap it 7 times. You'll see a short countdown and a message that developer options are enabled. Once done, go back to Settings. Developer options will now appear near System or Advanced. Do not change anything else yet. Now you'll navigate into Developer options to make purposeful changes. Open Settings, then System or Advanced and tap Developer options. You can toggle USB debugging to enable ADB access, enable Stay Awake to prevent sleeping during charging, or enable OEM unlocking for bootloader work. Each has security implications, so be deliberate. To speed up your phone's feel, adjust window, transition, and animator animation scales to 1/2. Once you've set the key options, test one change at a time. To finish, reboot your phone so system changes take effect and verify your intended behavior. If you enabled USB debugging, authorize your computer when prompted. If something acts unstable, clear app cache for affected apps or toggle options off and reboot. If a USB connection fails, revoke USB debugging authorizations in Developer Options and reconnect. As a last resort, reset Developer Options to defaults or perform a factory reset if you cannot restore normal operation. These are
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.